Welcome to our Thai adventure. Today we're making frozen honey jelly. So here's the things we're gonna be playing them. Juicy drop pops. So there's a purple one, there's a red one, and there's a blue one. So let's start. So I'm gonna throw wild cherry berry on inside here, so let's drop like it. So now we're gonna put in knuckle punch. So it's basically a type of it. So pour it in. Come on, get in! Now we're gonna put blue rebel. So that's a blue straw. Okay, I get it. Well, now we're gonna put in corn syrup. Okay. We're gonna put this in the freezer for 5 hours. We're having a dance party! Yeah, ready. So now I'm gonna open it. I don't know how they're gonna taste. Hey, camera. Now we're gonna treasure it. Good. Now can you help me with this one, please?
Sure. It's a little bit.
Now we're gonna try the blue. Oh! Stop. Bye-bye. I hope you had a good time with me. Don't forget to subscribe.